Have you ever wondered how those engrossing animated videos on YouTube are made? Fear not, I'll teach you how to make your own beautiful talking animations step by step today. Before we get started, though, please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy learning new things and would like to see more videos like this. Now let's go forward. To begin with, we must design the character for the animation. To accomplish this, you may utilize picture creation software such as Leonardo AI. I will use Lexica Art for this video because it's free and doesn't require registration. All links and other helpful elements will be in the video description, so don't worry. Here on this page, I will search for the anime I want. I'll type something like male anime wearing a hoodie. I'll scroll down and see if I can get anything I like. Image generator chat GP4 Midjourney or any other tool you like. I believe I really like this one, so I'll click on it and save it by clicking the download option. Next, we need to find a nice background. You can create your own colorful background to make our animation stand out by using free image generation tools. I'll use the same tool to find a background, but I advise you to create your own anime studio background because the images on this page were created by other people. I'll type in Anime Studio and just browse through the results to find one I like. Next, we need some element, such as a table, microphone, laptop, or any other. So I'll use PNG Wing to add any element you want for this, and you can download any image you want with a transparent background for free. Canva will be used to arrange all the elements, but first let me demonstrate how to use this website. You don't have to register. Just type in the element you want, click the search icon, or press enter on your keyboard. For example, I'll type in table and search. As you can see, all of the files have no background, which will make our work easier. I'll download this table, you understand. Since I'll need a table for this, we must arrange all the components so that we have the character image we want for this step. To make this process go more smoothly, we'll be using Canva Pro. The link to Canva Pro will be in the video description. Simply click the Create Design button in the upper right corner of your screen. Next, search for the YouTube thumbnail and click it. Finally, import all the files you downloaded, including the background, the table, the character, and other files. To accomplish that, simply click this link to upload Choose Every File, then click the Open button. At this point, you may either click on the canvas to add the backdrop or drag and drop it there. To set the picture as the background, right-click on the image and select that option. Add the table now and make these adjustments. Then add the anime character. Next, we must erase the character's backdrop. To achieve this, click this Edit Photo option. After selecting BG Remover and waiting a short while, right-click on the personality. Now that we have the layer portion selected, slide your cursor over to the Transmit Backward option. I'll explain why later. In the meanwhile, pick the character and click Edit Photo again. From there, select the Magic Eraser tool. Reduce the brush size and highlight the lips like this. Then, patiently wait for it to be removed. Awesome! Let's add additional items like a laptop and a microphone. Feel free to add more, but keep it basic. I will look for a laptop under the Element tab, and then select the Graphics option. I'll select this one, add the microphone, and adjust it until I think it looks good. Then, I'll download it to my device by clicking the Share button here and making sure the file type is in PNG format. Alright, let's move on to the last step, which is adding the talking mouth. But first, please support the channel by liking and remembering to hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's move on. Open CapCut. Don't worry. We won't be doing anything difficult. It's just a straightforward procedure that anyone can perform. Click this button to start a new project. Next, import the image from Canva and the talking mouth. You can find the talking lips in the video description. Just download and import them. Next, click Modify to change the aspect ratio from the original to 16:9. Finally, Add the image to the timeline and layer the talking mouth on top of it as it appears on your screen. Finally, expand the image to fit the available space of end point of the talking mouth. Next, we need to remove the green background from the talking mouth. This can be done easily by clicking on it to select it, then clicking on Remove BG from this menu. Next, click on this small box to open the color picker tool. Finally, click on the green background to raise the shadow intensity to 100. Now, shrink the talking mouth and align it with the original mouth's location. Make careful to fine-tune it after that, and, if desired, add effects. Let's export it immediately, but not before seeing the final adjustments. This is incredible, right? If the video is beneficial to you, please press the subscribe button and remember to give us a thumbs up. Together, we can develop this channel.